Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's finally that time of the year, that is October, which means it's Halloween, and we are all on the hunt for something easy and quick to do on Halloween. So you've come to the right place because I have little to no talent when it comes to makeup, and so this was pretty quick and easy for me to pull off. It wasn't that easy, but I feel like it's easier compared to all the things that are on YouTube. And yeah, so this is like a glam take on Pennywise from the movie It, and I hope you like what I came up with, kind of. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. Hey guys, so I'm back and I've done like a powder foundation base, and I feel like if my flaws show through, it'll look more realistic, and clowns are not real, so let's just do it. Okay, let's get started. So um we're gonna start with I know what just happened to my voice, but we're gonna start with brows, and I hope you can tell that these are purple brows. I'm gonna use the classic Morphe 35B palette. If you watch makeup tutorials, you've probably seen this every colorful makeup look, and it's just like the best at its price, along with the BH Cosmetics one. Angle brush, like so. Look at me, all beauty guru and stuff. And this is like a life hack. Any brow color you can do this. You can just take some clear brow gel. I'm using the Body Shop one. It's just to get your brows like wet, kinda. And I'm looking down here because my mirror is here. I'm just gonna apply a generous coat on my brows. Okay. And then I'm gonna take the angle brush, and I'm gonna dip into the darkest purple from the palette, and I'm gonna fill it. And I'm going to take a little magenta purple, and I'm going to use that in front just to like give like an ombre, even though you really can't even tell. Okay, I hope they look somewhat identical. I think that's good enough, right? Okay, clowns don't even care. So next I'm gonna do is eyes. Should we do eyes? Okay, we'll do eyes. So I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution concealer and define concealer in the shade C12 and prep that as a base on my eyes. This is a good concealer for its price. Spilled it everywhere. Classic Keona. Okay, so now I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush, and I'm taking this shade. Okay, so first I'm just going to explain so I don't have to keep picking up the palette. I'm going to take this purple, the lightest purple, on the crease, and then I'm going to take this little magenta one in the center, and then I'm going to use the dark purple, which is this one, yes, that, and then at the end I'm going to use black. So let's just start with the lightest pink purple, and I'm gonna just clean the brush first because I did this eye and it's a bit used up, and I'm gonna just kind of blend that in my crease. And just take like a skin color shade and just blend the edges so we have like, so it looks somewhat decently blended like that. Okay, now with the same brush we're gonna pick up the second purple, which is the magenta shade, and I'm gonna put that little below the crease shade, like that. Okay, so next we're going to take the deepest purple shade. I'm gonna pack that on the brush and we're gonna put that all over the lid. Okay, I'm gonna take another brush. I'm taking a defined, like, packing dense brush, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. After that, then I'm gonna take black, and you wanna go a little slowly and just put it really closely to your lash line and then blend it. Okay. Now we're gonna take in the same, I don't know what I said, but we're gonna take the same deep purple and I'm gonna put it on the lower lash line. And taking the first blending brush, you wanna blend everything together so it looks seamless. Brush and blend everything out. Then you wanna take like a black eyeliner pencil or whatever, retractable. I have a retractable black liner like this, and I'm gonna put that on my waterline on my lower lash line. Like that. And then you want to take purple, the dark purple, and you want to smudge and marry the black and the purple together. And I wouldn't recommend putting like concealer on before, in like under your eyes, because like it's gonna get covered most of the part. I know Clown has got like a good night's rest, so that's the tea. Okay, so now that we've finished a black smoky eye, you can just take a shimmery purple and just put it in the inner tear duct, like that. Okay. So now we're gonna take any purple lipstick, because we are not going to use face paint at all in this. So I'm taking the Balmain L'Oreal collab in the shade. This is the purple, it's the only purple in the shade. I don't know what the name is. But we're gonna draw a triangle like this, like I've done on this eye, on eyebrow, on this side. Take a flat brush like this and take the lipstick and you wanna fill it in. And just perfect the triangle as best as you can. And then we're gonna take the brush and we're gonna set the lipstick with a purple. And inside you can set it with a lighter purple for like a more ombre-ish effect, like that. Just take your lipstick and you want to outline your lips. Now we take the same lipstick. This lipstick is like a savior. And we're gonna take the lipstick and we're gonna, so now we're gonna take the lipstick and we're gonna extend it to the eye. Try stretching your face because it makes life a whole lot easier. So I'm happy with how it's turned out, and I'm just gonna take a brush and I'm gonna take the purple on and fill it in. After that, the basic is done. Then you want to take a thin brush like so, and you want to fill the top part with a dark purple. And this is like my favorite part. You take the black retractable pencil and you outline your lips. You outline your lips and then you extend. Then you take like a purple and you pat it on your lips. Okay, I have to do the nose, so let's just take the retractable pencil. You take your retractable pencil. You draw a circle on your nose and then you fill it in with the purple lipstick so that your eyeshadows stick. Then you take the light and dark purple and then you fill it in. Okay. Then you want to highlight it, which is my favorite part, with like a shimmery purple. Now is like the last step almost, and you take like a shimmery lipstick. This is the NYX Cosmic Metals one in the purple shade, and you pat this at the center of your eye and take the purple and blend it on the eye and on the top area. And then just using a brush, blend it in. Apply the purple lipstick to your lips. And then you can also highlight your cheeks. So I'm going to use a little bit of highlight. So yeah, this is the finished look. This is a purple glam clown. I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked what I came up with, and yeah, don't forget to watch my other videos if you haven't already. Bye.